everyone, ever find yourself drowning in text? Long articles, dense documents, it can be a lot to handle. Well, what if I told you there's a super quick way to cut through the noise and get to the core information? Today, we are diving into text summarization using QwenLM AI. It's incredibly simple. First of all, let's go to QwenLM AI website. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. It makes your work easier and faster. I have already logged into my account, and this is how QwenChat looks like. Now find the text you are going to summarize. You have got this article, maybe something from the online or copied from the document. Let's go to one website. I do love this website, so let's go in one of them. There's a lot of article over here. What's new in Alzheimer treatment? Let's tap on it. Now let's copy all of them and paste it over here. So this is the article. Once you have gotten, look for the summarize button or option. There's no summarize button or option over here. Oh, here's summarize option. So if you tap on more, you can see a lot of option over here, and one of them is summarize text. Tap on it, and this also opens you several options to summarize, but we are going to summarize an article. Let's skip the space and Control V the information and send it. And that's pretty much of it. So it generated a concise summary for you about the article that you have gave. You can see the difference. We have gone from a whole chunk of text to a shorter, easier to digest summary. Perfect for quickly grasping the main idea, studying, or even just deciding if you want to read the full thing or not. That's it for today. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.